Curious how a tiny flower became a legendary healer? Stay tuned to discover the surprising powers of chamomile in just minutes. Chamomile is a small, daisy-like flowering plant from the Asteraceae family. Known for its delicate white petals and yellow centers, chamomile is famed for its soothing properties. The plant grows in temperate climates and has a light, apple-like scent. Its flowers are often dried and used in herbal teas and natural remedies, prized for calming effects on digestion, sleep, and anxiety. Chamomile has been cherished for thousands of years across ancient civilizations. The Egyptians revered it for its medicinal qualities, using it to treat fevers and dedicate it to the sun god Ra. The Greeks and Romans valued chamomile for its calming effects, using it as a remedy for ailments like headaches and digestive issues. In the Middle Ages, chamomile gained popularity in Europe, often used as a strewing herb to ward off insects and as a calming tea. Its name comes from the Greek chamomile, meaning earth apple. Due to its apple-like scent, chamomile's gentle nature made it a staple in traditional medicine, from soothing colicky babies to calming nervous minds. Today, its legacy continues as one of the most popular herbal teas in the world, known for promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and aiding sleep. Chamomile flower contains an essential oil 0.4 to 1.5%, which has an intense blue color owing to its chamomilean content. Other major constituents include bisabolol and related sesquiterpenes. Apigenin and related flavonoid glycosides constitute up to 8%, dry weight, of the drug. Chamomile has a wide range of documented pharmacological effects, including antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antispasmodic, and sedative properties. Key compounds like alpha-bisabolol, apigenin, and chamomiletea are responsible for many of these benefits. Chamomile extracts have been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, fungi, and viruses, while also reducing inflammation and protecting against gastric ulcers. It has calming effects on the nervous system, acting as a mild sedative without memory impairment. Preliminary research suggests chamomile may also have cancer-fighting properties by promoting apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells, without harming normal cells. According to European Medicines Agency, chamomile flower is used for 5 indications. Indication 1, used for the symptomatic treatment of minor gastrointestinal complaints such as bloating and minor spasms. Indication 2, used for the relief of symptoms of common cold. Indication 3, used for the treatment of minor ulcers and inflammations of the mouth and throat. Indication 4, used for adjuvant therapy of irritations of skin and mucosae in the anal and genital region, after serious conditions have been excluded by a medical doctor. Indication 5, used for the treatment of minor inflammation of the skin, sunburn, superficial wounds and small boils, furuncles. Medicinal uses according to World Health Organization, supported by clinical data. Internal use, symptomatic treatment of digestive ailments such as dyspepsia, epigastric bloating, impaired digestion, and flatulence. Infusions of chamomile flowers have been used in the treatment of restlessness and in mild cases of insomnia due to nervous disorders. External use, inflammation and irritations of the skin and mucosa, skin cracks, bruises, frostbite, and insect bites, including irritations and infections of the mouth and gums, and hemorrhoids. Inhalation, symptomatic relief of irritations of the respiratory tract due to the common cold. Uses described in pharmacopoeias and in traditional systems of medicine. Adjuvant in the treatment of minor inflammatory conditions of the gastrointestinal tract. Uses described in folk medicine, not supported by experimental or clinical data, as an antibacterial and antiviral agent, an emetic, and an emmenagogue. It is also used to relieve eye strain and to treat urinary infections and diarrhea. Chamomile is contraindicated in patients with a known sensitivity or allergy to plants of the Asteraceae such as ragweed, asters, and chrysanthemums. Full baths are contraindicated in cases of open wounds, large skin injuries, acute skin diseases, high fever, severe infections, severe circulatory disturbances, and cardiac insufficiency. Partial baths or hip baths are contraindicated in cases of open wounds, large skin injuries, acute skin diseases, high fever, and severe infections. How to make chamomile tea. Here's a simple recipe to make chamomile flower tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag, 1 cup of freshly boiled water, honey or lemon, optional. Instructions: 1. Bring water to boil. 2. Place the dried chamomile flowers or tea bag in a cup, then pour the freshly boiled water over them. 3. Let the flowers steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the chamomile flowers. 5. Add honey or lemon for flavor if desired. Enjoy your tea. Chamomile tea carries a delicate, soothing fragrance, like a meadow in bloom at the first light of dawn. Its taste is soft and floral, with whispers of sweet apple and honey gently caressing the senses. Each sip is a calming embrace, like a warm breeze through wildflowers, leaving behind a subtle earthiness that lingers, as if nature itself is cradling you in peaceful serenity. Chamomile tea is great for relaxation and may help with sleep and digestion. Let chamomile be your gentle reminder that even in the busiest of days, nature offers us a moment of peace in every sip. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more herbal wisdom.